Did you know one impossible goal changed Liverpool's entire destiny in just 3 seconds? May 2017, Vicarage Road. Liverpool desperately needed Champions League qualification. Their season hung by a thread against stubborn Watford. Emre Can stood 30 yards from goal, the ball dropping from the sky. What happened next defied every law of physics. He launched himself backward through the air, his body completely horizontal. The connection was perfect, an overhead kick from impossible range. The ball rocketed toward the top corner like a guided missile. Watford's goalkeeper could only watch helplessly as it flew past him. Teammates stood frozen in disbelief, jaws dropped at what they'd witnessed. This wasn't just a goal, it was pure magic captured in slow motion. The strike secured Liverpool's return to Europe's elite competition. One moment of impossible brilliance launched them back among football's giants. Sometimes greatness happens in the blink of an eye.